Hey guys, my name is Freedom. This is Blender 5.1. I import the Mixamo 3D characters and also the 3D body motion together into Blender 5.1. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you all the step by step. You can see in the Mixamo, there are really a lot of free 3D humanoid avatar. At here, there are 3 pages. At least more than 100 3D avatar that you can choose it for your 3D animations. At the same time, for the Mixamo 3D body motions, there are really a lot. You can see 52 pages. That means this is really a big library of the humanoid 3D body motions for the 3D avatar. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the whole workflow, the full workflow, how to import them one by one, just from the Mixamo.com into Blender 5.1 with the 3D avatar, full body skeletons, full armature with the full body motions from Mixamo. And I'm going to show you all the details step by step workflow. Let's go. The first step, just go to the Mixamo.com. And then you need to log in into the Mixamo. Then continue with the Google if you are using the Google Chrome. And the next step is just go to select a 3D avatar that you want from here. There are really a lot. Just choose any of the 3D avatar that you want to bring it to your Blender. So here I'm going to choose a 3D avatar. Just have a look. For example, if I want to choose Sophie, I click and choose this character. And wait for a while. Now it is loading. Alright, now Sophie is here. Next, what can you do? You can just choose the animation from here. Click and choose the animation. If you click it, it is going to apply. Alright, let's say if I want to choose this body motion, it's really cool. Next, you can just pause it and click download. It is going to download the FBX file with the embedded body motion. Click download and wait for a few seconds. Now it is downloading. It will download as a FBX file, and the file name, it will just follow the body motion's name. Click here to show in folder. See, it already showed in folder. Click and show in folder, this one. And the next step, I can just open the Blender 5.1. Then the next step, just click the empty area and just press A and press delete to delete everything. Next, we are going to import the FBX file, the dancing track. Just drag and drop into here. Import FBX. Now you can see, click here to turn on the material texture. And then you can click the skeleton and adjust the viewport display to make sure it don't show in front. So now you can see your whole 3D avatar already in your Blender 5.1. If you try to play the animation, you can see this is exactly the whole animation that's shown in Mixamo. It is really easy. So now I already successfully import the 3D character with any of the Mixamo 3D body motions into Blender 5.1, and here you can render it in your 3D animation. In your Blender 5.1 3D scene, you can render whatever you want. Just add it into your 3D scene as the 3D animation. Just a 3D asset, a 3D avatar with the body motion. And you also can just animate this 3D avatar because it already have the full skeletons of the humanoid bones. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to import the Mixamo 3D avatar and animation into Blender 5.1. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my 3D animations and 3D modeling tutorials, you can just subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the mini bell, select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!